guys, welcome to La Maison L'Oréal Paris, your one stop for everything makeup and skincare. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit on the bell icon so that you are updated and notified every time we upload a new video. And all the products that we'll be using in today's video are mentioned in the description box below. So today's video is basically about that no makeup look, so that even if you're wearing makeup, it doesn't really look like you're wearing makeup. ऐसा लगेगा कि आपकी skin naturally इतनी अच्छी है. And it's also something that you guys can do while you're attending virtual meetings. घर बैठे बैठे if you're doing Skype calls and some professional meetings are happening, you still look really well groomed and presentable while working from home. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So let's get started. So your skincare routine really matters when you're going for that no makeup look, because your skin is what will radiate from underneath your makeup more than what the products that you've used on your skin, right? So skin prep is important, and make sure you wash your skin thoroughly and moisturize as well. So I'm going to just quickly moisturize and prime my skin before I start with my makeup. And make sure you use a nice oil-free moisturizer, whatever moisturizer that you are comfortable using according to your skin type. Massage that really well into your skin. And then I'm also going to take a little bit of primer. Not too much, just enough to cover your pores and also just even out your skin and just blur out all of the texture that you might have on your skin. So I'm going to apply it around my nose because this is where I have a lot of open pores, and around my forehead, and just like spread it all over my face. And with that, we're done with the skin prep, and now moving on to the first product that you would require for your no makeup look, which is a foundation. And for that, I'm using my L'Oréal Paris Infallible Pro-Matte Foundation. I'm in the shade 106 Sun Beige. Now, what I like to do generally when I'm doing a no makeup look is just take a little bit of the foundation on my finger. And I'm not going to be using a makeup blender or brushes for this. I'm just going to use my fingers because I feel the product spreads really well with the heat in your fingers. And I'm just going to apply that on the areas where I have discoloration, acne scars, pigmentation and stuff like that. And I'm just gonna pat it into my skin. You see how that just really nicely evens out and just blurs out all of the pigmentation and all the scars from your face. So it's like a demi-matte foundation, so it gives you that slight coverage along with a very nice natural finish on your skin. So it's like a really nice foundation for your everyday no makeup look. So basically use the foundation to kind of even out my skin tone and to give it that nice light coverage. I haven't gone for the full coverage thing. It's a very soft coverage, a very soft finish that you want to go for a no makeup look. Alright, so with that, moving on to the next product for your base, which is a bronzer. Now, actually bronzer just helps in giving your face that nice structure and definition, which looks really nice and pretty in a no makeup look. But I'm also a fan of wearing blushes, so I like to go for something which is like a little pinky but at the same time can work as a bronzer as well. So for that, I'm going to be using the L'Oréal Paris La Barre blush in the shade City Explorer. So as you can see, it's got a really nice brown undertone to it. It's actually a blush, but it works really well as a bronzer as well, and at the same time it has a little bit of shimmer situation going on, so you can actually use it as your highlighter, so you don't really have to additionally use a highlighter. So it's basically 3-in-1 product for me right now. And I'm just going to use an angled brush and just apply that right on the apples of my cheeks, and I'm going to take it all the way upwards. And whatever product I have on the brush, I'm just also going to apply on my jawline as well. I love how that just instantly gave my skin some color and some warmth. And there's a slight shimmer happening also, as you guys can see. It's not very strong, but it's very subtle and very mild, so it's kind of perfect for that everyday makeup, no makeup look. Okay, and moving on to the next product, which is a mascara. So I'm using the L'Oréal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara for this, and I'm going to apply that evenly on my top and bottom lashes. Mascara just like literally opens up your eye. It's just something that I can never ever skip. So make sure you're applying it really well on your top and bottom lashes and there are no clumps. And to finish off with the no makeup look, I'm going to be using a lipstick, and for that I have the L'Oréal Paris Roots Signature Liquid Matte Lipstick. I'm using the shade 105 I Rule. It's a really nice soft mauvey nude pink color. With that, this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. This is how I generally keep my no makeup look. It's very simple. Do try it out and let me know how it worked out for you. And with that, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, do not forget to subscribe to our channel before you leave, and also hit on the bell icon so that you are notified and updated every time we upload a new video. All the products that we've used are mentioned in the description box below. And with that, signing off for now. I will see you in the next video. Bye.